Hey everyone, Amy here from Profiles Backstage with your April swag bag. So this is a new fun product. I'm excited about this. Again, I know I say this every month, but I'm excited. This is the Diamond Cat's Eye. So this is kind of like your crystal cat's eye, but it has some really holographic pieces in it. So it really shines a little bit differently and it is so illuminating. So it really gives a lot of depth, and we are going to put some chrome over this, so it's going to even up it even more. So it's just got like these tiny little holographic, not even tiny, kind of chunky holographic pieces. This is the Glitter Mix Dippin' Dots, and this is going to just add some fun springness to our design. Then we've got the Bellini Chrome Powder, which is... It is a little deceiving because it looks like it would be really peach, but it just gives that holographic, translucent chrome, kind of like an aura of color around pretty much any enhancement, any color. It's going to enhance any color is what I'm trying to say. Then you've got your Outshine, and we've got this adorable new cat paw magnet. So when I was leaving the shop and I grabbed everything to do the video, I just threw this in my purse, and now the magnet is gone. So I'm not quite sure where my magnet has gone, but I wanted to show you this is in the swag bag. Yours will come with a magnet, so I'm going to use the Rolo magnet instead. But for the swag card, I used a kind of a greenish blue background. You can kind of see it peeking through. But for this design today, I'm going to go with a pink. It is pretty covering the Diamond Cat's Eye, but a color will peek through. So whatever you want to put in the background. But we're going to go with this nice bright pink. This is Jenny from the Babe collection. Really nice neon pink. We're going to put this on and give this a cure for 60 seconds. Once this comes out, we're going to go over with our Diamond Cat's Eye. And I like to put a pretty heavy coat of cat's eye on so I can really get some movement with the magnet and really get some depth to the design. So we're going to put that on there. And like I said, I'm going to use the... Isn't this so pretty? It's so mesmerizing. I'm going to use the Rolo magnet since my cat paw lost its magnet somehow. I'm sure it hijacked onto something, my car keys or something, who knows. So really what I'm doing is just really bringing up all of that magnetic pigment to the surface, and this will give it that really illuminated bright effect. So I don't want to cure this. I'm going to go right in with the Dippin' Dots glitters. I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the cap and kind of work out of it like this. I'm not going to pour it on or anything. That would be adding way too much. I just want to add a few pieces, kind of random, and I'm going to place this in the wet cat's eye. So you'd want to try to not like have a lot of movement while you're doing this because you don't want to mess up that cat's eye design. So I'm just lightly pressing those in, or kind of just placing them on the top. I used a little bit of Outshine on my silicone tool here just to be able to pick up the glitter. But you only need a tiny bit because you need it to release the glitter on that cat's eye just as easily. So don't overdo it with wetting a brush or anything. You'll have a hard time getting it to stick in the cat's eye. So once you're happy with your dots of glitter, of confetti, we'll cure those into place. And a quick 30-second cure is going to be totally fine for that. So now this is out of my light, and we are going in with our Outshine now because we're going to put our chrome on. So a nice hefty coat of Outshine will smooth out any imperfections in the surface structure that you may have had from placing the glitter in. So get that on there, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And when that comes out, we're ready to burnish our chrome. And like I said, the color is a little deceiving because it's not really that it's giving you a full peach color. It's just giving you a halo of chrome, almost like a neon halo of chrome. I absolutely love it. Any chrome over cat's eye is just going to give that depth. It's just so pretty. Love it so much. And you can see that pink kind of peeking through there when you turn it either which way. But again, that cat's eye is just super illuminating, so it gives you that depth that you're looking for, that wow factor. And then we're just going over, and you can put your top coat right over this. You can use Outshine, or if you have another top coat, you can use any top coat over top of it. And pop it in the lamp for that final 60-second cure, and that is it. So really super easy spring swag. It is giving spring vibes for sure. You could even create little dot daisies with that Dippin' Dots confetti. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next month.